Experiencing issues with your garage door sensor? You're not alone, and the answer might surprise you. In Arlington, many homeowners face power disruptions in their garage door sensors, causing frustration and confusion. The root cause often lies in disrupted power sources or misaligned wiring, but let's dig deeper. Garage door sensors are vital safety devices that automatically stop a door from closing on objects or people. Typically found low on either side of your door, these sensors send invisible beams to detect obstructions. If you notice no lights or flickering from your sensors, it usually points to a power issue. Loose wires, blown fuses, or tripped breakers can interrupt the flow of electricity to these essential components. Even a simple connection failure or pest damage can negate the sensor's functionality in your garage. Be alert to other signals like flickering lights or even worse, burning smells or unexpected sparks. If DIY fixes aren't working, don't hesitate to contact professionals, as safety must always come first.